and he just did it. And she was, I mean, she couldn't say enough about it. I'm not kidding, so nice. And when she got her orders before we got ours, and I said, Bradley, I said, that was very nice. And he just hunched his shoulders. He said, you made me one proud now. I am not kidding. He, he is just, he's amazing. Don't you ever doubt that. He's just something I mean, he just walked over and says, would you like me to do that for you, ma'am? I can help you. I just wanted to let you know. So he made me one proud now. And then, she saw her purse and he goes, what did she say about the Eagles? How did you ask her? Oh, you said what team is that?
Uh,
On her purse?
yeah. Oh, yeah. That was the Eagles.
Yeah, he goes, that's the Eagles. And she said, yeah, she was, from there, and that's where her family lives, and I guess her son or somebody is a big, Tampa Bay fan, and she was talking about that. Roddy was just talking to her. Like he knew what he was talking about. But I just had to brag. Just a minute.
Yeah, let me get this light on.
He is just
There we go. Debo, move. Move. You're in my way.
Because not many kids would have done that. I mean, not none his age. So I just wanted to let you know. Have fun. We're gonna kick back and relax. He's filmed all my fans and got the dates up all now.
Not all of them.